majesty and honor. That was the moment his kingdom departed. As it was told, so the living would know, the Most High rules in the kingdom below. Of men and chooses whomever he will. The tree was strong, it reached to heaven, all the earth could see. The fruit was fair, food for the living, a home for birds of the air. The king saw a watcher and holy one coming down from heaven. Cut it down, destroy it, they cried, leave the roots thereof and bind with brass and band of iron. For 7 times let it be among the grassy fields and lowly beasts. The king fell down, ate grass like a beast. His fingernails grew out like claws, his hair was wild as feathers, his mind as a little child. God's dominion is an everlasting dominion, and his kingdom is from generation to generation. All those who dwell on earth are as nothing. He does as he will among men.